Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Want to convert PDF to Excel but don't know how? Don't worry. We have got you covered. In today's video, we will show you 4 different methods to convert PDF files into Excel sheets. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we have a solution for you. Method 1. Drag and drop online conversion. Step 1. Open the website that lets you convert PDF to Excel. Step 2. Drag and drop your PDF files onto the website. Step 3. You can also select the files from your cloud drives like Google Drive or Dropbox. Step 4. Select Convert and let the magic happen. Method 2. Import PDF data into Excel. Step 1. Open a new Excel spreadsheet. Step 2. Go to the Data tab and click on From PDF or From Text. Step 3. Choose all files from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Locate the PDF file you want to import. Step 5. Select the file and click on Import. Step 6. Choose how you want to view the data. Step 7. Click OK and you are done. Method 3. Copy and paste data from PDF. Step 1. Select the data you want on the PDF and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Step 2. Open a new blank sheet in Excel. Step 3. Paste the data into the Excel sheet. Method 4. Using Adobe Acrobat for conversion. Step 1. Open Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader and import the PDF file you want to convert. Step 2. Import the file from local storage or your cloud account. Step 3. After importing your PDF file, select Export PDF from the Tools panel. Step 5. Click Export. And there you have it. Whether you prefer online tools, Excel functions, copy pasting, or Adobe Acrobat, there's a solution for everyone. Remember, mastering Excel can open up new opportunities in your career. So give it a try and excel in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.